excitement. Children walking towards a colorful school building with smiles, chatting and enjoying their morning. A classroom filled with cheerful students raising their hands and a teacher guiding them. Kids playing and laughing on the playground, swinging, running and having fun. A transition showing different scenes of students in a classroom, playground and library, all filled with energy and happiness. Close-ups of students solving puzzles, laughing and cheering each other on. Students launching paper airplanes or looking out the window at a bright blue sky. A montage of students high-fiving each other, smiling with their books and playing instruments in music class. Right, animated visual showing the glowing path of progress as students excel in various 10 duties. Walking together, holding hands with the school building in the background. Leaves the students celebrating with balloons and confetti, marking a joyful moment. Students drawing vibrant pictures in art class and playing games like chess or hopscotch. A group of children cheering on a friend during a sports game or relay race. A cozy storytelling lesson with students sitting in a circle, listening intently to a teacher. Showing the book's pages, turning to reveal different colorful adventures. A school bus on a scenic trip with children pointing out sights from the window. Students presenting projects or performing on stage in front of proud teachers and parents. Best friends laughing together, showing timeless bonds from school. A tree being planted by students, symbolizing growth and memories. A golden sunset over the school building with students walking away, waving goodbye. 21 up and filled with pictures.